Do you wish to get multi-purpose assistant? We have one for you today. XCMG SV12 skid steer loader equipped with powerful engine and wide range of attachments. It is an ideal machine for highway construction and maintenance works, public municipality maintenance works, snow removal, landscaping, and many other construction works. The internationally renowned yanmar engine is employed with strong power, low noise, and high reliability. Its emission meets the requirement of EPA American Tier 4F and European State 5 standards, enabling the loader to satisfy the more stringent requirement of environmental protection. Excellent product, high reliability, low noise, less emission, and less fuel consumption is the advantages of this beautiful product. It is an excellent product specially designed and manufactured for construction machinery which has been verified. The core components of hydraulic system are the products of Danfoss, Oaklane, and XCMG drivetrain, which are safe and reliable. The hydraulic system is under intelligent electric proportional control, making the loader responsive and accurate in all operations. The hydraulic system can make the boom fall down in case of shutdown, which ensures the loader is safe and reliable in operation. The cab is integrated with the rollover protective structure RPS and falling object protective structure FOPS, further guaranteeing the safety of skid steer loader in operation. With a large interior space and excellent operating vision, the cab can be turned to backward at a large angle. The rear hoods can be opened completely, allowing one-stop maintenance for all the main parts to be maintained. This loader can serve several purposes. You deserve to have it.